Today in this video, I will show you how I made my old soap dish usable. Let's start it. It's my old soap dish. You can see there is no more paint left in the middle, but I still love it, so I will give it a new look. I will use some stones to cover this area. And I will use some pearls and beads to go in between the spaces. I will make the top layer with epoxy resin. It comes in two bottles, epoxy resin and epoxy hardener. And I will use some beads over the top too. First of all, I will make the mixture by using epoxy resin and hardener in equal amounts. It's very important to take equal amount and mix them well. I will pour this mixture over the stones and I will make a good layer. I have to cover each and every stone and pearl. Epoxy resin is very easy to get from any craft store, or you can buy online too. Once it dried, it will be waterproof, so I can use it for soap. So here I have made the top layer. I'm using a popsicle stick to make it even on the edges. Epoxy can take different time to get dry on different surfaces. For this, it took 24 hours. This is the final dried look of my project. Hope you like it and you will try it for your projects. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel, and I will see you next time in next video.